Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 50 questions for TGT English Literature and other English literature associated teaching exams as a practice set 4. So let's start. Question number 1. Who dignified Spencer as poet's poet? Guess your answer. Answer will be Charles Lamb. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Which period of England was Milton talking about in the following lines? A noble and puissant nation, rousing herself like a strong man after sleep and shaking her invisible locks. Guess your answer. Answer will be Elijah Within. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Arnold wrote, with him is born our real poetry. For. Guess your answer. Correct answer will be Chaucer. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Who described Chaucer as the well of English undefiled? Who described Chaucer as the well of English undefiled? What will be correct answer? Correct answer is Spenser. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Who was an opium addict? Guess your answer. Answer will be Coleridge. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Albert Camus was born in. Guess your answer. Correct answer will be Algiers. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. The Apprentice was written by. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Tass. Correct answer will be Tass Jared Sand. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Thompson wrote poems about. Guess your answer. Thompson wrote poems about God. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. The End of the World is a poetic play by. Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be Abercrombie. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Oedipus complex is associated with. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be D.H. Lawrence. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Which novel of Lawrence was banned? Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be sons and lovers. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Who is not originally an American? Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be Sylvia Plath. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Who is not a metaphysical poet? Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be Dryden. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Who wrote God made the country and man made the town? Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be Copper. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Wyatt is associated with. Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be sonnet. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. The first play by Galsworthy is. Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be The Silver Box. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Great Tradition was written by. Guess your answer. Answer will be F.R. Lewis. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. All About Halter is written by. What will be correct answer? I hope your answer will be G.B. Deshani. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Donjon is a specimen of. Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be epic satire. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Who is not a Nobel Prize winner? Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be Hardy. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Shakespeare was born in. What will be answer? I hope your answer will be 1564. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Gitanjali in English was published in. Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be 1912. 1912. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Who wrote the following well-known lines? Oh, was the things you gave your life to, broken and stopped to, William up with worn out tools. Guess your answer. Who wrote the following well-known lines? I hope your answer will be Rudyard Kipling. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. For which character of Shakespeare's play are these words spoken? This was the noblest Roman of them all. Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be Brutus. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Which of the following sentences has the figure of speech called apostrophe? Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be, O solitude, where are thy charms? Option D will be the right answer. Next question. The sentence everlasting rest was written in. Guess your answer. Answer will be Jacobian age. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Who states this about comedy? But deeds and language such as man do use, and persons such as comedy would choose. Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be Ben Jonson. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Which of the following known as the greatest period of drama? Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be Elizabethan age. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Which of the following words are personified? Guess your answer. You are right. Your answer will be thirsty earth. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. What figure of speech has been used in the following lines? Belinda smiled and all the world was gay. Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be metaphor. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. What kind of poem is Milton's Lycidas? Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be Elegy. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Bacon has written in. Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be Latin and English. Option B will be the right answer. Option B will be the right answer. Bacon has written in Latin and English. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Which critical work has Sidney written? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be The Defense of Poetry. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. By whom was the critical term negative capability introduced? What will be answer? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be John Keats. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. All I want is to answer to my blood, direct without fribbling intervention of mind or moral or what not. Who has written this sentence? Guess your answer. Correct answer will be D.H. Lawrence. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. A record of events drawn from personal knowledge is known as. Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be memoir. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Suggest a word where evil brings about its one downfall. Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be nemesis. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. A formal speech or writing praising some person, thing or achievement is known as. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be panegyric. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Biographia Literaria was written by. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Coleridge. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Leo Tolstoy was famous short story writer from. Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be Russia. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. The Bride of Lammermoor is written by. What will be correct answer? I hope your answer will be Walter Scott. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Who wrote the Decline and Fall of the Roman Empire? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Edmund Gibbon. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Overruled by Bernard Shaw deals with. Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be social inequalities. Inequalities. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Name the author of The Fall of Robespierre. What will be correct answer? Name the author of The Fall of Robespierre. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Chaudet. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Who plays the farcical scene in A Midsummer Night's Dream? Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be bottom. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Identify the one who does not belong to the group of university wits. Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be Webster. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. The catastrophe is the ending of a. What will be right answer? Right answer will be tragedy. The catastrophe is the ending of a tragedy. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Name the author of The Poetaster. Guess your answer. Your answer will be Ben Johnson. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. The lock of hair of Belinda is clipped in the rape of the lock. Her heart is broken. The poet consoles her in the end by saying, guess your answer. Guess your answer. The lock of hair of Belinda is clipped in the rape of the lock. Her heart is broken. The poet consoles her in the end by saying, what will be correct answer? Correct answer will be that the hair would fly up and shine among the stars. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Name the hero of Homer's Iliad. Guess your answer. I hope your answer will be Achilles. Option B will be the right answer. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the learning about 50 questions. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.